Hi guys, today we received this professional high-speed hair dryer for reviewing purposes. So let's go ahead and open it up and let's see what comes inside. When we first open the box, we see that we get a nozzle included, which I think that it's really nice. It has this smoothing set, perfect for dyeing hair or hairstyling. And then we get the proper main unit, okay? It comes protected with this bag and these paper strips that we can take out. And this is how the proper unit looks. Okay, I think that it has a simple design. In here we get the controls, so we can control the speed, the temperature, and this is the power cord, which comes with a Velcro strip, so we can take it out and storage it a little bit more easily so the cable won't be all tangled up. So let's go ahead and connect it to test it out. As I've said, with these sliders, we can control it. The top one is for the speed. You get two different speeds to choose from, which I think that it's nice. And you can also get the temperature settings adjusted however you need. With the slider on top, we get the maximum speed for the hair dryer, and I think that it's really powerful, perfect to get all your hair dry really quickly, and in combination of the temperatures, I think that it's gonna be really handy. With the bottom button, we can choose the temperature, which I think that it's nice. It's actually really easy to be getting all the settings that we need. So I've said, just with the touch of one button, we can set them up. It's perfect to match your unique style and needs, whether you want a sleek or a straight look or any kind of voluminous wave. And as the nozzle is magnetically, it connects really easily, and you can set it up for any kind of position that you want to set it up, which I think that it's excellent. That way you can hairstyle your hair in any kind of that you want. And overall, because it's really easy to use, really easy to set up in any kind of configuration that you needed, the nozzle, it's really easy to use. I think that it's great, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.